Hi, in this video we're going to see how you can claim your free Counos coin. First, you need to fill the registration form, which includes steps like entering your wallet address, your phone number, and selecting your country. Log into Counos SSO or create a new account. Then, you will be redirected to Promotion website again. A verification code will be sent to your phone number. Enter the code in the highlighted red box and review the other registration fields and submit the form. Congrats! Your registration has been successfully done. After your identity and information have been approved by the admin, you will receive one Counos coin.